I'm Joya for TheStreet.com, and we are, of course, lying in wait for the Fed later on today. The Dow right now is down about 11 points, and with me is Matt Cheslock, who's with Virtu Financial. What else can we say as we lie in wait?
Well, I think what's interesting now is what's gaining traction down here is, will Bernanke be around to do the tapering? So I don't anticipate much out of him today, quite honestly. I would expect him to continue QE till the end of the year, and it'd be interesting to see what happens in early 2014. If he were to leave, does someone new come in with new ideas? I think that's what the market's going to start focusing on, because there isn't a whole lot to focus on, as we've talked about. So what do we expect out of him today down here? Not much. That is a problem. We've had a pretty good run up the last 3 days based on what we expect out of him. If we don't get enough dovish comments, maybe this market could be in for a surprise.
Who could be a potential contender to take his spot?
Oh, wow. I have no idea where we'll go with that. Will it be political? Will it be financial? You know, there's a lot to talk about. You know, is going to be someone that they think Bernanke will take, continue his methods, or it'll be someone outside the box. You know, we have a lot of issues to deal with. They have a lot of data points they're looking at. Unemployment. We have really not made a dent in that. The needle has not moved on that. So could it be someone that could help that aspect out? It'd be interesting to find out. I'm not even going to speculate anyone right now, unfortunately.
We're looking at unemployment, which is a good point, above 6%. Do you ever think we're going to hit 6?
You know, based on what we're seeing right now, no. The economy is maybe strong. U.S. companies are in great shape, but they're not hiring anyone right now, and the government hasn't really given them a reason to. You know, unemployment was probably more like 13 or 14 back in 09 when we really were, you know, in the doldrums. So, you know, the fact that we're close to 7 now is a pretty good number, but is it enough to stimulate the economy even further? You know, it doesn't seem like that's the case.
Okay, so we're the same conclusion that we had yesterday, that we're still data dependent and we are still waiting. I'm Joya for The Street.